Look at here. Stem and leaf is like this. I would say I have my stem, like I have my tree, right? And then these are my stems. Let's say stem. And each of these stems, they have their own leaves. I have a stem without a leaf. It can be possible, right? So I have my stems and leaf when I'm thinking about that. That's the reason that we call it a stem and leaf. Now, let's say I have data points, and my data points are something like this, for example. I'm just going to make something. It's like, let's say, 12, right? 14, something like 18. Then I have 23. The next data point is going to be 42, 49. Or even I can make it a little like more interesting. I can say instead of 42, let me just say 40. I'm just making it. So if I want to transfer this one to my stem and leaf, let's see what's going to happen. So it's like that. I'm going to name, look at here, I'm going to name this one as 1. Right? This stem represents 1. This one represents 2, 3, 4. Right? Then I have like 12, 14, 18. So what's going to happen? I'm going to name this one 2, 3, 4. So when I read this stem with the leaves, it's going to be 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. So 12, 14, 18, sorry. 12, 14, this is 8, isn't it? So I have 1, 2, 1, 4, sorry. 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 8. So it's going to give me 12, 14, 18. Right? So the way that I'm going to show it here, it's going to, let me see how much I have room here. I can make it like this. So it's going to be like this. I will say, okay, so let's say, I have something like this. I would say this is my stem, right? And we said the stem and leaf, right? And this is my leaf. It's like a table, right? So my stem is 1. My leaves are 2, 4, 8. So I'm going to put 2, 4, 8. So when I read this, it's going to be 12, 14, 18. That's how we show it, right? The next time, for the next one, I have 23. So I have 2. I'm going to put 3 here. For the leaf, it's going to be 3. I can have 2 of these 23. It doesn't matter. I'm going to add it something similar later. But let's say this is 23. So I'm going to put 2 here and 3 here. The next one is 40, right? I don't have anything for 3, and there is no leaves for it. So here I'm just going to put down 3, but I wouldn't put anything here. Be careful. If you put 0 here, it means that you have a leaf here, which represents 30, right? So I'm going to put 3 here. The next one is 40, 49. Let's have another 49 as well, right? So it's like 40, 49, 49. So I'm going to have 0, 9, 9. So these are data points, right? So it's possible that I would get like 249. It makes sense, right? So you get your data points. 2 of the data points are 49 that you are reading. It's observation. It's not in your hand. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to put 4 here, right? 0, 9, 9. So what you see in this course is this table. Where does this table come from? Like the concept behind it is like this. So I have my stems, I have my leaves, and each of these leaves, they have some numbers, so you're going to connect them. So if I give you this, and I ask you in your quiz to show it in the stem and leaf method, so you're going to show me like this. You're just going to divide it like you would say, we can have it like 3 digits. We have an example, and you're going to see that it's with 3 digits. So we can have 3 digits as well, and then we are going to decide that how many leaves and stems that we want to have. So we would decide to break it from the first digit or break it from the second digit. But right now, it's just the concept behind it. We want to know that how would we read it? So this is the stem and this is the leaf, right? So